Hi, I am going to get my hair did. I don't know why I always say that, but anyway, going to the hair salon to get my hair done. I'm just feeling like I just need a little bit of light stuff going through a little bit more, maybe because it's spring, I don't know, but I'm just trying to get things worked out there because I don't know about y'all, but I seem to have more gray. I hardly had any. I mean, just a few, well, little bits going through, but you couldn't really see them before, like a year ago. And now, since this last year, I definitely have more. So it's amazing what the stress will do to you. I've heard of other friends of mine and my sister and stuff have said that they know of, similar situations. So I'm not the only one. Are you guys getting grays now that, you've been through this year? Anyway, I am doing that. And it's interesting because where I go to get my hair done is a town close to me, just right down the river, and it's got a lot of little shopping and restaurants. It's this cute area, and I think I've shown it to you guys before many times. Anyway, I've noticed that there's a lot more people out and a lot of people going more in stores, and stores are opening and the restaurants are getting their tables outside, so it's really kind of gearing up a little bit more. I hope people are still careful. But anyway, that's pretty interesting. And then while sitting at a stop sign, I saw kind of across the street from where I'm going to be going is a new boutique that I have not seen before. So I'm really excited about possibly running across the street afterwards and taking a look at that. So that's what's happening here today. And yeah, so I'm going to go get my hair done, see what happens. Yeah, I might go a few lighter pieces maybe. I don't even know. It'll probably look exactly the same. I don't know, but it's just definitely showing its, you know how it is. It happens. Okay. Okay, I'm a little early still, so I'm not going to walk over there quite yet, but this is a great time to ask you a question. I need help. So if any of you guys can help me out with this, that would be great. You are a wealth of information, all of you. So I so appreciate it. Anyway, so the story here is, do you remember, gosh, last summer? I don't even know. I think it was last summer. I bought those dining room chairs from that shop. The chairs had are wicker, like wicker dining chairs, and they came with chair pads. And my original thought for the very beginning of time was that I would just, use those a little bit longer. They're in pretty good shape, but they're in, great shape, but they have a little bit of maybe there were some spills occasionally that someone cleaned very well. But I was looking for like additional pads to put on there, like chair pads. And the thing about these is that so many chair pads have something you can tie around each like rail or whatever. But being wicker, there are no rails in the back. It's one big long back. And you need to have the kind that have the big long ties that go wrap all the way around to meet in the middle and tie prettily back there. And I am having an incredibly difficult time trying to figure this out. I've searched and I've searched and I've searched and I've searched. You'd think with all the wicker dining chairs there are in the world that there would be somebody that has replacement cushions that work in the tying situation and so forth. So yeah, I don't know what the deal is with that, but if anyone knows of any place that offers that type of a cushion for your average, I mean, they have a million of them. They're basically the same size, most of them. Your average dining chair that's wicker, that the ties reach all the way around the back, usually like a thicker tie, not like little beanie ties. And then they tie pretty, like prettily on the back. I'll show you a picture of the chair and what I'm talking about here. But thank you for anybody who has any idea where I can find that, because I'm just really struggling. So I don't want to have anything custom made if I don't have to. I don't want to if I don't have to. So anyway, that's my question and that's my story. And it looks like now it is about time for me to start heading over. So that's what I'm going to do. Did that. Got a little bit more light stuff put in my hair, a little bit, just to give it some springiness. So that's that. I was planning to check out that new boutique, but not going to do that because it's pouring down rain. And yeah, so I guess that kind of cuts that out, but that's what I was planning to do. Let's see what else is going on. A whole lot of nothing. Anyway, there's my hair. It's still long. I didn't cut any. I'll cut some more off it. You know, I'll get more cut off it next time. So I'm gonna drive home and figure out what to make for dinner. That's the plan next. I know what I'll do. I recorded myself making this meal that my daughter and I really like. And so we made that. And I didn't have an intro or anything else. It was just this tiny little snippet of this meal. So I can throw that in here and you can watch this thing that I made. It's really, really good. So I'm gonna throw that in here. Okay, what you'll need for this, and a way to make it super simple, is to use pre-made pizza crusts and some salt and pepper, and you'll need some Swiss cheese to sprinkle over the top, some green pepper, some red onion, and again, I'm making it simple, so I'm doing bottled Alfredo sauce, and then some deli roast beef. And I'll show you how to put this together. It's super simple and really, really good. It was just so simple. So that's the best part about it. And it was really tasty too. So give this a try. I really liked it. It was yummy. And I may go home and make this tonight. Sounds good. I think I have the stuff. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hoped to have had more to show you, but I just didn't this time. But anyway, thank you. I will come on again very soon, I'm sure. And I hope you guys have a great day. Mwah! Bye.